how to build and manage a remote team. Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom, your go-to channel for insights and strategies to elevate your personal and professional life. In today's video, we're diving into the essential topic of building and managing a remote team. As the world becomes increasingly digital, knowing how to effectively lead a remote workforce is crucial for success. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the foundation of a successful remote team. Clear communication. When your team is spread across different locations, establishing open lines of communication is vital. Utilize tools like video conferencing, messaging apps, and project management software to keep everyone connected. Regular check-ins can help maintain clarity on tasks and foster a sense of community. Make it a habit to schedule weekly or bi-weekly team meetings to discuss progress, address challenges, and celebrate achievements. Next, focus on building trust within your team. Trust is the backbone of any successful group, and it's even more critical in a remote setting. Encourage transparency by sharing your goals, challenges, and successes. Show appreciation for your team members' contributions and create an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. When team members trust one another, they are more likely to collaborate effectively and support each other in achieving common goals. Now, let's discuss setting clear expectations. When managing a remote team, it's essential to define roles, responsibilities, and performance metrics from the start. This clarity helps team members understand what is expected of them and how their work contributes to the overall success of the team. Make sure to provide detailed onboarding processes and resources to help new team members acclimate to their roles. Regular feedback and performance reviews can also guide them toward improvement and growth. Another key aspect of managing a remote team is fostering a positive team culture. When working remotely, it can be easy for team members to feel isolated. To combat this, create opportunities for team bonding and collaboration. Organize virtual team-building activities, celebrate milestones, and encourage informal interactions. This will help strengthen relationships and create a sense of belonging within your team. Let's not forget about the importance of flexibility. One of the significant advantages of remote work is the ability to adapt to different schedules and work styles. Encourage your team members to find a routine that works best for them while ensuring they meet deadlines and maintain productivity. This flexibility can lead to increased job satisfaction and overall performance. In addition to flexibility, prioritize the well-being of your team members. Encourage work-life balance and promote mental health awareness. Be mindful of workloads and ensure that your team has the resources they need to thrive. Providing access to wellness programs, mental health days, or even simply checking in on how they are doing can make a significant difference in their overall happiness and productivity. Lastly, invest in the right technology. The tools you choose can make or break your remote team's efficiency. Research and select software that enhances collaboration, project management, and communication. Ensure that your team is well trained in using these tools and be open to feedback on how they can improve the workflow. As we wrap up this video, remember that building and managing a remote team takes time, effort, and adaptability. By prioritizing communication, trust, clear expectations, team culture, flexibility, well-being, and the right technology, you can create a thriving remote team that achieves great results. Thank you for watching Success Spark Wisdom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Until next time, keep striving for success.